Hello friend, do you know how many options of riser pipes are available for India Mark 2 hand pump? There are 7 options of riser pipes for India Mark 2 hand pump. Today I want to describe these 7 options of riser pipes for India Mark 2 hand pump. Option first, GI riser pipe 32 NB. Second option, stainless steel riser pipe OD 38 mm. Third option, stainless steel riser pipe OD 42 mm. Fourth option, UPVC riser pipe fitted with stainless steel coupler. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth option, UPVC column pipe OD 42 mm. Sixth option, UPVC column pipe fitted with heavy duty socket OD 48 mm. And seventh option, UPVC pipe fitted with injection molded coupler. Please look at the 7 option. UPVC pipe fitted with injection molded coupler OD 48 mm. It may be 42 mm also. Now you can think, what are the need of so many options of riser pipes? The question may arise in your mind, why are so many options of riser pipe developed for India Mark II hand pump by the hand pump manufacturer? First of all, I will discuss what are the main reasons for the failure of borehole of a hand pump. There are many reasons for the failure of borehole. Alignment of the borehole may be improper, well design and construction may be improper, over pumping, corrosion, incrustation build-up. There are so many reasons for failure of the borehole. But today I have to focus only one reason, that is the hand pump corrosion. Hand pump corrosion is widespread in many countries, resulting in the rejection of water supply by the customer to its taste and color. The supply of poor quality water and corrosion in the pipes are some of the challenges faced all over the world. My friend, UNICEF and other similar organizations have made many attempts to develop some hand pumps which are corrosion resistant. I am giving you some example of corrosion resistant hand pump. Tara direct action hand pump is very popular in Assam and West Bengal in India, which is corrosion resistant. U3 modified hand pump is very popular in western Uganda and it is corrosion resistant. Operative hand pump is very popular in Nigeria, Tanzania, Ethiopia and other African countries, and it is also corrosion resistant. Now I will describe the difference between these pipes. First of all, please look at the GI riser pipe. This is the GI riser pipe. GI riser pipe is prone to corrosion. It can easily react with chemicals present in the water and soil. As a result, the quality of the water becomes very poor and unfit for drinking. On the other hand, UPVC pipe and stainless steel pipes are corrosion resistant. Please, I have to introduce you advantage of UPVC pipe. UPVC pipes is easy to install due to its lightweight. It is corrosion resistant. It is cost effective. UPVC pipes are 63% cheaper than GI pipes. UPVC pipes are also resistant to bacteria and other corroding agent, and therefore it is more hygienic. My friend, but when you have to select the UPVC pipe, you should know about the quality test of UPVC pipe. Now I am going to describe some quality test of UPVC pipe so that you can select which pipes are the best for your usage. A UPVC pipe is checked for tensile strength, impact test, density test, opacity test, hydraulic pressure test, reversion test. These tests are already mentioned in the standard. And if any UPVC pipe is found satisfactory after this test, then you can use the UPVC pipe in your borewell and it will give you 100% success result. My friend, stainless steel pipes are also corrosion resistant, but it involves high cost. SS riser pipes involve high cost. Okay? And therefore, I will prefer you UPVC pipes is cheaper and better also. Now, I show you these two pipes. These are the UPVC column pipe with heavy duty socket. Some person told me the limit of borewell depth for UPVC pipe. They think UPVC pipe cannot be used for a borewell depth more than 30 meters. But I want to clearly tell you, I want to inform you, UPVC pipes can be used for a borewell depth of 45 meters or more. This UPVC column pipe with heavy duty socket gives very good result for large borewell depth also. Okay? Now, already you learn about these 7 options of riser pipe for India Mark II hand pump. Okay, bye bye.